You're talking to FTECU. So they're telling me to switch to blue and green, which is basically a push since we went GP. So we're just gonna swap these and see if we can get our quick shifter to basically work. So just switch those two around. I'm going to start the bike. Just let it kind of get some heat in there. Quick shifter is on. So now, let's see. All right, so we just fixed it. So let's go. Let's go. Yo, I can't wait to go test this out. Yo, it's a dub. Wire this back up.